Alright, YouTube, I'm back again with some more beautiful Hoovers. What a beautiful mix-up, man. A few facts about these two fine Hoovers in front of you. God rest my beautiful grandma's soul. But when I was younger, she had this beautiful maroon Hoover to the right. She had that thing since, man, I think I was like 4 when she bought this machine. Maybe even 3. I was real young when she got this. And she had it up till the day she passed. Which was in 2010. And I was born in 91. So she got this probably around 93, 94. And she had it all the way till 2010. And then my first grade teacher, I never forget, she had one of these inside of her classroom. Same exact color, same model, everything. Same exact sweeper. Yeah, she had one in her classroom, and she used to let the kids take turns using it after we have our snack time, and then she would read to us, and then we get to play with the vacuum, and then we do some more work and go outside and run around and play and come back in and take her a little nap and stuff like that. Damn, times was good back then. Anyway, it's good to have these two under my roof. Hold on, give me 1 second, y'all. Hold on. Never mind. Anyway, we're just gonna get straight to it. We're just gonna get straight to it. Come on. I will say my green one might end up needing some motor bearings here pretty soon. It just sounds a little weird to me. Anyway, here it is. Without no working headlight. I take that back. It wasn't this vacuum. It's the Hoover Preferred that needs the motor bearings. And then here's everyone's favorite Hoover Elite. This is the classic one right here, man. Hold on. I didn't do it with this one, but here, just in case you can't see it. Oh, the 90s was just so, man, they was so off the chain. The 90s was the best decade ever. Hands down. All right. Here we go, y'all. All right. This is the reason. Let me try to look. I'm about to sing to y'all, okay? Don't laugh at my singing voice. Nobody does it like you, the way that you do. Damn, what she say? Nobody has the power to please me. Nobody does it like you. Who puts it all together, no matter something. I forget what the hell she said, but she said, nobody does it like you. Hoover, nobody does it like you. I can't sing for shit. Don't laugh at me. Don't judge me. I'm just having fun with y'all. You asses. But anyway, I hope y'all go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. And I got some more coming up for y'all, man. I'm in the mood today to just do videos. So that's what we gonna do. More videos. Catch y'all on my next one. Peace.